What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today, amongst the leaves and dirt and debris in my garage and the clutter, we're going to be talking about lowering springs. So, here's what's happening today. These are Eibach special edition lowering springs made for the Trackhawk. I believe what it says is it lowers it down 1 point something inches in the front, and I think 2.1 inches or so in the rear, basically just to get rid of some of that tremendously disgusting wheel gap. Now the end goal with this Jeep is to potentially, possibly, maybe, kind of, sort of see if possibly, maybe, sort of do airbags. I don't know yet. I've never ventured into that world, but for right now, the quick and easy solution was to get these. This would give me a feel for having the Hawk lowered and see how it looks and whatnot. Kind of a temporary solution. It's getting toward the end of the year. I'm planning all my other mods, and I always wanted to do the bags and wheels last, so I guess doing this now is whatever. So this is what you get in the package. Again, these are Eibach special editions. I'm guessing just by looking at them that the two in the middle are going to be the front because of all the weight from the engine. So it's very windy, but if you look here, look at this gap. Even on the front, it's pretty remarkable. I guess just for, excuse the wind, but just for comparison, I mean, that's a solid 4, maybe 5.5 fingers up in here. Yeah, it's absolutely got to go. So what I'm going to do right now is sweep up these leaves and get these out of here because I'm losing my mind, literally losing my mind. And then we're gonna drive on over to a shop. Again, I don't know how to do all this, and I'm not going to be one of those channels that films people doing work because that's kind of awkward, and I want to leave people alone. I don't want to be annoying with a camera in people's faces. So what you'll see next is pretty much how it looks when it's done. I'm also going to have this shop take a look at the exhaust tips. I noticed that these on this side, they sit up a little bit more and look a lot better, but for whatever reason that side, it's down just like 1/4 of an inch. I believe we measured it, so enough for me to notice and be annoyed at. So we're gonna see if we can get that situated, but otherwise that's basically the plan for today, and I'll keep you updated as things progress. Okay guys, so about 2 weeks has passed since I got the lowering springs installed. I don't know if you can tell, but the difference is pretty good. Pretty damn good. I would say completely way more enjoyable than what it was. Now, from a distance, it just, I don't know. I'll post some pictures here too. I do have a couple pictures. It just looks more refined. It just looks low enough where it's just not like a monster trucking, mother clucking. What are my opinions real fast? I'll do another video down the line. The first couple miles when I was driving with this thing, I would say the worst drive ever. I guess because they were still settling. It was like this, bah, 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 like all over the place. Once they started settling over the next couple drives, I noticed they started to feel a lot better. Overall, driving in city, driving straight, everything nice. I would say turning at higher speeds, I do have a little bit less confidence. I don't know if there's just a little bit more sway, a little bit more body roll or such. I don't know if that's just a normal characteristic of springs. It seems like it might be, so I'm not gonna let that bother me too much. The truck is planned for bags down the line, so this was just like a placeholder, but I think overall it looks good for now. I think it's good. for how cheap it was, the springs themselves are like $500. The install was about like $400 or $500. So for $900 to $1,000, you can't really go wrong. And if you're handy to do it yourself, you're basically $500 into something, and you get a nice visual change. So I'll definitely post a video down the line updating, you know, as things go. But for right now, that's what it looks like. I actually forgot what I did. Did I put like a whole fist last time? As you can see, that doesn't work. 3 fingers doesn't even sit flush. We're looking at a tight 2, boys. Not a type 2. A tight 2. Possibly a 3, if you really want to piss her off. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you're an OCD OG, I love you. Thank you so much. Thank you for sticking by. I'll see you guys on the next one. Yeah!